And we are back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a quick passport icon in Adobe Illustrator. Make sure you've got your smart guides and snap to point activated. You want to have a black stroke, no fill. I use the rounded rectangle tool first. And I align it to the center. It should be fine. I'll keep the rounded rectangle tool and create this rectangle, which should be the torso of the person, which resembles the profile image. Then I press A for the direct selection tool and I select the top 4 anchor points and I drag the curvature tools inwards so that I have this perfect rounded corner. Now I'll use the ellipse tool. I go to the center position of the torso, the smart guides help me with that. Alt, Shift and Alt to create this circle. I have a stroke weight of 3 points, you can see that up here, and I've added a rounded cap. This is important for the next step. If you can't find that window, or if you can't find that menu, go to Window and Stroke and it will pop up. I use the line segment tool, I hold Shift, then I hold Alt, drag a copy out of it, and I hold Shift at the same time. After I've released it, I press Ctrl D 2 times to have 2 copies with the same distance. I shift click on the top 3 and I drag it to the right while holding Alt. I shift click on the top 1 as well and then right click group them. I align them to the center. I do the same thing for the 2 elements on the left. So shift click on the right click group and align it to the center. And this is how you can recreate such a simple passport icon in Adobe Illustrator very quickly. A good tutorial for beginners. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.